Hey guys, first of all I want to say I hope you had maybe this is just going to be a video that never gets seen by anybody. I don't know if I like this top in this video or not. It's like weird. Is it weird? I don't know. And I'm really hungry, so I'm going to go get me some food. Let's hop right in. Sorry, I'm not taking the piss. I love Nikki Phillippi. I think she's great. I like imitate her all the time and it really annoys Ben. Anyway, I love my finger dancing. I don't care. I don't care if Dave is taking the piss out of my supposedly American accent. Where does that come from? I don't know. It's just because I have energy in my videos doesn't mean I'm American. Anyway, even though I wish I was, I'd love to be American. Anyway, that is not the purpose of this video. MAC blushes or something like that. I don't own any MAC blushes. Actually, that's a lie. I've just realised I have a MAC blush. That can't go in the video. There was a tag that went around a few years ago called YouTube Made Me Do It or something like that, which was really fun to watch. But I decided not to do that tag because pretty much my entire collection is down to YouTube. Obviously, when they send you out your matchbooks, when they send you out your matchbooks, I can't say it. Why can I not speak? Why can I never speak? Why is this an issue for me? So if you guys film favourites videos, please leave... Hey guys, today I'm doing another empties video. Ooh, yeah, I'm gonna go. I wanna go. I'm not gonna sing that because my voice is awful. How do I start this video? And when I do sit down to film that idea that I had, I have no like energy for it. Like not that I have no energy, not like I'm tired, but there's no like excitement and rah craziness about it. Anyway, and I'm not gonna be able to edit that out, like cut it so it still makes sense, but cut all of the stuff out. So if you guys film empties, no, I'm not doing an empties video. Beauty things that are out on the market. Blech. Is that recording? Yeah. As you can tell, I'm not wearing my glasses and I don't have contacts in, so I can't see. What the hell? I've got lipstick right here and I've just filmed a video. Great. I really hope you can't see that. Hey guys, today, stop saying today first. Okay, I'm just like chatting. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. Hey guys, today I've got another empties video for you. These are... Oh, eyelash. Don't be weird. Really, really soft as well. Nicely... Why do I keep saying nicely, what, nicely dense? That makes no sense. But other than that, I'm really loving. But other than that, bleh, bleh, bleh. Why is this so hard? Ah! It's like stuck in here. Okay, it's coming, it's coming. Ah, it's huge. It's like stuck again. What is it stuck on? There we go. Wash your hair and then towel dry it. And that's, yeah. Bleh. This will probably go into bloopers because I'm not even filming a video right now. I just filmed a giveaway video and my my March Birchbox video. And now here I am just chilling out and I was like, you know what, I'm just going to turn the camera on and talk to it. Why not? And I was in an accident, guys. I was legit in a car accident, had my car smashed up, wasn't my fault, which is, you know, thank goodness for that. And nobody was hurt again, so thank goodness for that, other than I've got kind of like whiplash, so that kind of sucks. Oh, it's snowing! It's really, really snowing. It's March, it should be spring. I'm all like springified, and there's no spring. And then we got snow. Where did that come from? The sad thing is, I'm actually like this in real life. This is how I talk to people, and I still mess up and bleh. I need to do all this boring stuff like clothes washing and hoovering. I need to tidy up, put all this stuff away, I need to go do some food shopping, I need to edit and upload my giveaway video, which is very important, that's like top priority, everything else can wait. I need to have some lunch actually, what's the time? So that's the only other thing I do with my hair really. I'm like completely missing steps out. Hold on, let's just back up a second. Let's just back that up a second so I can actually show these products. I really am gonna go because this is just silly and I'm wasting time. I'm procrastinating. And I'm procrastinating in the name of getting better at talking to the camera. Because I kind of suck at that as well. I suck at a lot of things, but whatever. Nobody's perfect, right? I was actually in there because I was trying to figure out what to get for my giveaway prize. And I've got some ideas, but it was really difficult. I was going to buy it at the time, and then I was like, I don't know, because what if I buy a bubble bar and the person that wins doesn't have a bath, so they can't use it, or you know, a bath ballistic and they can't use it, or what if I choose a bath ballistic and they have a bath but I get like a really girly, sugary, sweet smelling one and they don't like those kind of scents. It's so difficult to choose giveaway prizes. Anyway, blah 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 blah, I'm rambling, I'm gonna go. I hope you guys are having a great day. Bye! Oh, why was that such a hard video to film? It should be really simple and easy and quick and bam bam bam. It's my hair care routine. What do I use? This. What do I think of it? Does it work? Do I like it? Blech. What do I always say? Bye guys. I don't need to say bye guys. Bye guys. That didn't make any sense. Why do I have such trouble filming? I had trouble filming keeks. Like keeks. 35-second long videos, and I had to retake and retake and retake because I kept stumbling over my words, like I always do. Blah, 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 blah. Today I've got another empties video for you today. Had a top just like a top. How am I ending this? I hope you're all having a great weekend, and I will see you in my next video. Meh.